In the early 2000s, hip-hop fashion was all about bold statements, and the jersey dress was one of its most iconic. The trend gained momentum when Maya rocked a vintage Jordan, North Carolina jersey in her 2000 hit Best of Me featuring Jay-Z. But it was Mariah Carey who captured the jersey dress into the spotlight at the 2003 NBA All-Star Game. She performed in two custom Michael Jordan jersey dresses, one a mini Chicago Bulls dress with lace-up sides, the other a floor-length Washington Wizards gown. After that, jersey dresses were everywhere, seen on red carpets and music videos and on the streets. They transformed oversized sports jerseys into form-fitting fashionable statements. Midget, a sports goods brand, was enjoying a surge of popularity from a new market of comprising Black and Latino city dwellers, aka New York, since the mid-80s. The brand had been creating replicas of vintage jerseys, aka throwbacks. As the brand owner at the time, Peter, told Fortune in 2003, I figured my market was 35 to 75-year-old conservative college-educated suburban white men. But in 1998, after Outkast's Big Boy was styled in a throwback Dale Murphy Atlanta Braves jersey for the duo Screw It on the Barbie music video. And then 3 years later entered the jersey dress. The jersey dress is at once seen as tomboyish and girly all at the same time. You were never questioned about who played for what team because we didn't care. All we knew is that it was a really cute dress with all these different type of ways that you can style it. Whether you wore a necklace, gold hoop earrings, sneaker, Air Force Ones, Jordans, even flip-flops. A fashion writer said the most powerful thing about the jersey dress is that it celebrated every particular brand of femininity, one that appropriated parts of a male-dominated culture and remixed it in its own image. The impact of the jersey dress on 2000 style is generation defining. It's now a favorite amongst Gen Zers at parties honoring the decade. R&B singer Victoria Monet music video for On My Mama is an ode to the early 2000s hip-hop culture and could not be completed without the fashion staples in her music video.